Ready, start. Leave granted, full stop. The appellant dash state of Madhya Pradesh by way of present appeals filed under Article 136 of the Constitution of India has assailed the judgments and orders dated 28/4/2017 and 17/9/2019 passed by the High Court of Madhya Pradesh, principal seat at Jabalpur in WP number 14940 of 2013 and RP number 1386 of 2018 respectively. Full stop. The respondent number 2 herein, that is Government of India, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, within bracket Department of Personnel and Training, in exercise of the powers conferred by subsection 1 of section 3 of All India Services Act, 1951, and in suppression of the Indian Forests Service, within bracket pay rules 1968 bracket close, had made the rules, namely the Indian Forests Service within bracket pay bracket close rules 2007 bracket close, full stop. The said rules of 2007 came to be amended by the respondent number 2 via the notification dated 27th September 2008, full stop. The said amended rules were called the Indian Forests Service within bracket pay Second Amendment Rules, 2008 within bracket hereinafter referred to as the amended rules of 2008 bracket close, full stop. Sub-rule 1 of the Rule 3 of the said amended rules of 2008 provided for the upgradation of one existing post of Principal Chief Conservator of Forest within bracket PCCF bracket close, to be designated as the head of forest force in the each state cadre, full stop. The said rule further provided for the apex scale at rupees 80,000 within bracket fixed bracket close for the said upgraded post designated as the head of forest force, full stop. It also provided that the said upgradation was to be made with effect from the date of issue of the notification of the amended rules, 2008, that is 27th September, 2008, and that the said upgraded post was to be filled by selection close from amongst the officers holding the post of PCCF in the state cadre in the HAG plus scale of rupees 75,500 rupees 80,000, full stop. The respondent number 1 within bracket the petitioner before the High Court bracket close retired from the post of PCCF on 31st December 2001, full stop. On 2nd April, 2011, the respondent number 1 made a representation to the Government of India requesting it to revise his pension from 37,750 within bracket 50% of HAG scale 75,000 80,000 bracket close to rupees 40,000 within bracket 50% of apex scale 80,000 bracket close as per the Indian Forests Service within bracket pay bracket close Second Amendment Rules, 2008, full stop. The said representation came to be rejected by the Government of India, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Pension and Pensioners Welfare via the order dated 24th June, 2011, full stop. The aggrieved respondent filed an OA being number 1142 slash 2011 before the Central Administrative Tribunal within bracket hereinafter referred to as the Tribunal close bracket close, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh on 27th November, 2011, full stop. The said OA came to be dismissed by the tribunal via the order dated 17th May, 2013, full stop. However, the writ petition being 14,940 of 2013 filed by the respondent challenging the said order passed by the tribunal, came to be allowed by the High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Jabalpur, void the order dated 24th August, 2013, full stop. The High Court by the said order held that the respondent number 1 was eligible to get the benefit of rupees 40,000 as pension, full stop.